The error message, Playback URL not available. Please try later. ERR_PB_1413 can occur for a number of reasons, including a temporary server error, a problem with your internet connection, an outdated Disney Hotstar app, corrupted data in the Disney Hotstar app, a problem with your device. Here are some steps you can try to fix the error. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for this error is a bad internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Method 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. To do this, long press on your device, then click on Restart. After restarting, check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then follow the next method. Method 3. Log out of Disney Hotstar and log back in. To do this, go to the Disney Hotstar app, go to My Space in the bottom right corner. Then click on Help Settings. Then, click on Log Out. Once you have logged out, log back in and see if the error is still there. Method 4. Clear the app's cache and data. To do this, long press on Disney Hotstar app, click on App Info, then click on Force Stop, and then tap on Storage Cache. Then, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go back, click on Permissions, then allow all needed permissions. Method 5. Update the Disney Hotstar app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Disney Hotstar app installed. To do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Disney Hotstar. If an update is available, tap on Update. If you have tried all of these steps and the error is still there, then you may need to contact Disney Hotstar support for help. Here are some additional tips. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it and see if that fixes the problem. If you are using a proxy server, try disabling it and see if that fixes the problem. If you are using a firewall, try adding an exception for the Disney Hotstar app and see if that fixes the problem. I hope this helps. Like the video and please subscribe to TechSoar.